welcome back to my channel. This is Captain Som welcoming you to my YouTube channel. And I am very much thankful to you guys क्योंकि आज मैं ये वीडियो सिर्फ आपके बलबूते पर बना सक रहा हूँ. This is our 200 subscribers journey. कैप्टन सोहम चैनल के अभी तक की जर्नी में आपके साथ शेयर करने वाला हूँ. एंड देर आर सम इंटरेस्टिंग मोमेंट्स जो कि इस चैनल के साथ हमने विटनेस किए हैं. मे इट बी 50 सब्सक्राइबर्स पहले जो कि अचीव करना बहुत मुश्किल था हमारे चैनल के लिए. देन द 100 सब्सक्राइबर्स दैट वी अचीव वेरी सून. And now this 200 subscribers video that is also coming very soon. So I hope we keep growing like this only, and our family keeps growing more and more better. Before I start this interesting video, let me tell you two things. The last video that I had posted, is journalism in India dead? It didn't meant to harm anybody. It was all just my opinions, and I just told you about Arnab Goswami's case. I just said what was my opinion. So if in any ways it harms you, I'm sorry for that. It was just a clearly opinion based video. So now I'm going to tell you the second thing. In this there were many questions for this Q&A video, but I have picked only 5 questions so that I can answer these 5 questions completely, and I can properly state my journey. I can tell about my journey more clearly because these 5 questions really relate to that journey, and that's why I have picked only 5 so that I can answer these questions in detail. So let me begin with the first question. So the first question is, how did you feel about this journey when you opened your YouTube channel and put the first video? Okay, so beginning, it was really interesting because when I posted my first video, I was quite excited about it. I still remember that how to become a pilot in India. That was my first video, and that was very interesting because I was very keen to know about the YouTube process and that all. Nothing was there, means I just simply posted that video. A bit of effort we put from our side, that was हमने थोड़ा सा decorate किया था the screen में, but nothing much. And that video was completely a flat, plain nothing. But the support which you showed, the encouragement that you gave, that was really outstanding, and that really motivated me a lot. And that's why it helped me grow, it helped me learn. And today, from that 0 subscribers till we have reached our 200 subscribers Q&A video, which I am making with you here today. So all thanks to you, and I hope a bit of effort from my side but complete love from your side has made this possible. So this was what the journey has been from the first video till date. I think this will be our 29th video. Each and every video has a special feeling attached towards it. Every video has something special that I tried to give. Maybe sometimes it didn't reflect properly, but sometimes it did reflect very properly what I wanted to reflect. And it doesn't matter about the views, the likes, the subscribers. What matters is that you enjoy the content which I provide, and I enjoy making that particular content, and that's what happened. So let's head towards the next question. So I will be picking your next question, that is, how much criticism did you face in this journey? Well, talking about criticism was a thing which I faced, and not till here. I have faced a lot of criticism till 200 subscribers, and till date I feel sometimes I get criticized about YouTube. But see, what matters is criticism is there always, and it will remain with your life forever. Criticism will be there in your life. Just a matter of fact is that how much can you take it, and how much are you committed towards your journey, that in spite of all these criticisms, how much can you be firm on your decision, and how much can you empathize your decision, and that's what decides your success in life. So yeah, criticism was obviously there, and criticism will be there forever. Not only in YouTube, anywhere in any field you will face criticism, but you have to learn to take it, and that's why it is important. Sometimes it's even important. Okay, so the next question is quite interesting. In what ways did YouTube benefit you? Okay, so in what ways did YouTube benefit me? A lot. I have a lot to speak about this question because YouTube, first of all, it increased my confidence. Very important. Speaking in front of camera is not at all easy. Let me tell you, because it feels so easy to see, because it is not a skill which is inborn tendency. It is not an inborn tendency. It comes with practice. Even I didn't have this practice. It slowly and slowly developed, because when you start, just imagine you are in a room or anywhere where you shoot. You're there and there is no one out there. There is just a camera where you can just see yourself in it, and you have to speak in the camera such that people are sitting in front of you. Like that you have to speak. It is not easy, but it comes with practice, and it is really a fun. And YouTube in other ways, it developed my speaking skills, I hope so. It helped me learn graphic designing, not completely, but yeah, it helped me design some like videos. I can make it look a bit better. Like, I'm not calling myself an editor, please don't consider me that, but it's helped me a bit about video editing and different contents. So content making, writing script, a lot. It helped a lot about these things. So yeah, YouTube has benefited me in a lot of ways, and this channel has benefited me so much that I have no words to speak about how much has this helped me. So now coming to the fourth question, this is the second last question. How did you enhance your audio, video and graphic quality? Well, this is an interesting question. Because if you see my starting around 4, 5, I think around 7, 8 or 10 videos maybe, it didn't have any editing, just cut from the starting and the ending, and I just posted it. Or sometimes even it didn't have that much quality in it. But slowly, as we say, practice makes man perfect. It really taught me, as YouTube taught me even this thing. It taught me we say many idioms or like thoughts that we just say in our daily lives, but I witnessed these thoughts till a certain extent. I really witnessed these thoughts because YouTube helped me learn that. So yeah, with practice I slowly learned video editing. Then I learned a bit how to add graphics in it, how to make it little beautiful, then how to enhance your video quality, and slowly I got tips from other YouTubers, and I slowly learned. My friends helped me a lot. So yeah, it was something which was really important to attain an relationship with the viewers, and to have more public attachment. It was important that I improve my video and audio quality, but it is not important when you start. You have to first focus on your content and then you can go on it. Might sound a bit like I am a huge YouTuber, but I am not. This was just the thing that I have witnessed from my journey till this 200 subscribers. And the last question of the day, most interesting one: whom do you consider to be your biggest support in this journey? Well, support, I would say, first of all, the Captain Som family, who has given me so much love that I have no words to speak about you all. You all have been incredible. You are the biggest support. I give you the biggest credit of this channel. It's not anybody's credit. It's just solely your credit. Second of all, I will give a bit more credit to my friends, because in the starting this channel was nowhere, means it was nothing at all, because my friends actually at that time they helped me in the most biggest possible way that they could, because it was something that it doesn't come naturally. You need the support, you need the help that my friends gave me. So thank you. I want to thank all my friends through this video. Thank you very much, because you are the one who helped me gain this confidence in myself, and you were the very crucial part of this journey. If I have to pick one person, then I'll go with my brother, because my brother in the starting, he would literally hold the camera, and yeah, holding the camera for such a long time, it's not easy. because I would make rather 7-8 minutes video. So it was not easy, my brother, but still he holded the camera and he held it quite strongly, so I would really appreciate him. And till date he helps me a lot with the videos production. He even started his channel, that is Shrivardhan Rasal. It is a gaming channel. You will find that channel's link in the channel section of this of our channel. You will find its link, so you can go and check it out as well. But he was my biggest support in this whole journey. And obviously my parents, although they criticize me a bit sometimes, not always, but still criticism in a good way, it is important. But yeah, they criticize me sometimes, but they were a huge support, because in the beginning maybe they weren't much convinced with this idea, but later they also got convinced, and nowadays they support me a lot about it. So whole family, my brother, the biggest crucial most person in this journey of the channel, you people of Captain Som family, the most vital role you have played, and also an important role was played by my friends. So guys, that is what I have picked your questions, 5 questions, but I took almost like 12 to 13 minutes to answer them all. So I hope you enjoyed these videos. But one important thing before you go, guys, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed it, because we will be having more and more interesting content like this coming up, all for you, exclusive content just for you, and just so that you can enjoy it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this journey, and keep supporting, keep loving, which you always do, and I will try my best to provide you with the best that possibly I could give for you. And also let me tell you one more important thing, that on Instagram, our Incredible India Story series, that is the success stories from Indian soil, will be uploaded very soon. So do check it out. Our Instagram link is in the description. The trailer of it is out, so you can definitely go and check it out as well. So thank you so much guys, and do subscribe to the channel, and thank you very, very much for supporting me always and giving me so much of love. Thank you.